Hello everyone. Today I am working on a newer mod, Galaxy controller. Looks like a Ruland motor and I believe a Hollister Whitney gripper. You can't really see. Yeah, Hollister Whitney gripper. This is from a previous post. Elevator pit was completely full of water, submerging limit switch on this lift here, which was left shut down. TSSA had given us permission to leave this one on. We are, however, going to change the governor ropes on both units, starting with this one, but we're going to do the switch first, get it running, because as well as there was a trapped passenger when it happened, so we're going to change the switch. See if it runs after that. Could have blown fuse possibly, and go from there. Okay, as you can see, we've got form prepped. It's a little wet down there still. There's the old switch that was submerged. The wires, there was some water in the flex. That's why, or that's probably why the elevator's down. Most likely blew a fuse. Here's our new switch here. You can see those are the normally closed contacts on the right, which we will be using. Those ones. It does have a different mounting point, so we're going to do some rigging. That's that so far. Okay, quick look down here. I had to rig up a new bracket for the switch because the old one didn't work. We're going to have to move that down as well. The flex also fell apart. We're working on it, so we're going to change that. Here's our governor compensator, or whatever you want to call it. Clearly it's a little messy. The ropes themselves are pretty good, but we do need to change them anyways, so we'll do that. Clean up the rope, and yeah, see how it goes. Okay, we're getting ready to pull our governor rope. We've got our weave ready to go. One side, the other side's getting prepared, and we'll pull it. Pull it good. Fuck. I'm almost there. What did he say?
It sounds kind of wishy-washy. He goes, I talked to a guy from another company, he goes, well, he says all they do is just like take the fucking safety on and make sure they work.
Yeah.
But I mean, yeah.
Whatever. We're already here. Okay, I'm all set.
Okay, yeah, it's on right now.
You get the dog dropped, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Probably around 400 based on the tag here.
That's it, 400, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it pulling it down?
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. It's just pulling it right through the fucking dog.
That's what we want.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so we were at like 300 pounds. Okay. Okay, we've got our governor rope changed, everything back. We've done our pull through. My co-worker is up taking it floor to floor, making sure we're good. We are going to stop it at the floor, move all the equipment over, and change this governor rope. Fortunately, this switch here was not submerged, so we do not need to worry about it. So quick governor rope change, pull through, and we'll call it a week. Thanks for watching.